Hello, I am Professor Didi Jala, mentor for this course. Let us take the overview of Arduino tutorial series. We have divided this course under two sections. In first section, we will learn all about the theory regarding the Arduino board, installation procedure, troubleshooting during the installation, and the detail about the electronic component which we are going to use in this series. We will also give you the introduction to the IDE and its programming. In section 2, we will do various hands-on. We will start from the blinking LED, then tricolor LED, use of a push button. Then we have also covered a 16 by 2 LCD display, counter using the LCD, concept of pulse width modulation using the LED and buzzer, 7 segment display, analog to digital conversion using DHT11, humidity and temperature sensor, use of serial monitor and graph plotter. What are the plus points? What is available in this course? You will get verified neat and clean circuit diagram. Source code is given in the resource section. Assignment, which is optional, is given after each hands-on, and the demonstration of the assignment is also included. The quiz is given to test your learning. System requirement is a Windows operating system. To follow the basic level series, you should have a knowledge of electronic and circuit, and for the intermediate level, you should have a knowledge of assembly and C programming language. Who can use the Arduino? Anyone can use the Arduino who is interested in the experimenting with the electronic component. For example, it can be a college student, school student, high school student, any hardware professional or individual who is interested in hands-on or creativity. We will start with the electronic component and connection, where we will understand the breadboard and its internal connection, LED on the breadboard, push button, 7 segment display on the breadboard, common mistake people make when using the breadboard, LED and push button to make the connection. Then we will cover introduction to Arduino, where we will understand the Arduino device, feature of Arduino, components of Arduino board, microcontroller, installation of Arduino IDE on Windows operating system, then troubleshoot if the driver is having some problem. These are the glimpse. Then we will go for the Arduino components and IDE, where we will learn how to set up a physical connection between Arduino and computer, various pins that are available in the Arduino board, and Arduino programming language. These are the glimpse. Then we will start writing the program in the Arduino. In the first, we will write the program to blink an LED, where we will understand how to compile and upload the program, and we will write a very simple program. These are the glimpse. Then we will go for the Arduino with tricolor LED and push button, where we will connect the tricolor LED to Arduino board and write a program to blink the tricolor LED. We will use the push button to control that blinking. These are the glimpse. Then we will do interfacing of LCD with Arduino, where we will connect 16 by 2 LCD to Arduino board, and we will write a program to display a text message on the LCD. These are the glimpse. Then we will make a counter using the LCD display. Here we will write a program to increase the count whenever the push button is pressed. These are the glimpse. Then we will prepare a 7 segment display connection with the Arduino, where we will connect a 7 segment display to the Arduino board, and then we will write a program to display digit from 0 to 4 on the 7 segment display. Then we will understand the pulse width modulation using the LED and buzzer, where we will cover the pulse width modulation basics, PWM duty cycle and PWM frequency. Then we will connect LED and buzzer to understand the PWM. These are the glimpse. Then we will understand analog to digital conversion using DHT11 sensor, where we will cover ADC, ADC pins to the Arduino, ADC resolution, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, and serial monitor with serial plotter. These are the glimpse. This makes us end to this tutorial. Here we have covered various electronic component and their connection and the content available in various tutorial under this series. Do you have any question about the Arduino tutorial? Then please do contact us with the given contact detail. Thank you.